Yo, what's up, my CG gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today, your boy got something special for y'all. We're gonna be making some chicken tender French toast. You heard me, chicken tenders French toast. So I'm about to show y'all all the ingredients you need right now. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the sweet side of the chicken tenders French toast. So you're gonna need 1 large egg, light brown sugar, regular sugar, cinnamon, of course, nutmeg, and milk. And then for the salty side, we're gonna be using rotisserie chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and some sazon. So enough for the talking. Let's get to cooking. First thing first, go get your egg and get you about a cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. Then you'll go ahead and mix that egg into the milk. This is going to be our marinated for the French toast chicken tenders. Next thing after that, go ahead and hit it with some splash of vanilla. Not a little bit more than a splash, but that's good. Hit it with some nutmeg. Not a lot. Nutmeg is powerful. You're gonna incorporate your light brown sugar in here. I tested it out last week. My brother loved it. Now she hit it with some sugar. We'll mix all that together. And then, it's not going to be no French toast chicken tender if you don't hit that with the cinnamon. You put as much as you like, as little as you like. Don't mix it. Now I got my chicken tenders right here. You're gonna go ahead and just sit all 6 of these tenders and this French toast marinade. This is how you're gonna get the French toast flavor on your chicken tenders, or your chicken tenders French toast. Just like that. And you wanna let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, first thing I'm gonna do for the flour, while those chicken tenders marinating in that French toast mix, do like a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Just to get the chicken nice and crispy. Then a cup of flour. And you're just gonna go ahead and mix the cornstarch and flour together, just like this. Okay, next we got a pack of sazon. You're gonna throw it in here. Like I said, it's gonna be salty sweet. French toast chicken tenders, best thing you ever had. Then you'll get some garlic powder. You're gonna make sure these chicken tenders have flavor. Your mouth is going to thank you later. Your taste buds are going to thank you later for this one. Now she hit it with the onion powder. Last but not least, this rotisserie chicken seasoning. This stuff tastes good on everything. I did a gravy video. If you want to check it out, it won't be up here. I put this in my gravy. Just gotta be careful with it because you don't want to make your own stuff saucy. Then you're just gonna go ahead and mix all this up together. See how the flour change color? That means you season your stuff really, really well. The chicken tenders got about 10 more minutes to marinate. So in that time, I'll be back. Okay, CG gang, I'm back. My French toast chicken tenders are done marinating. So now we'll move over to the flour. We'll do 2 at a time. And we're gonna cover them up with our flour and our other season. Make sure you press down on it. That's how you get the flour to stick to your chicken tenders. Just like this. Press down. Now I got my oil getting hot. So when that's done, we're gonna go ahead and drop the French toast chicken tenders in. Okay, gang, I'm back. These chicken tenders are ready. So drop the first one. And the kind of oil too, I'm using peanut oil by the way too. My wife bought it. She said she liked it better. And it fries really great too. So you can use any kind of oil you want, but I'm using this. Using peanut oil. You're gonna wash your baby's bad boy fry up. While I cook the other 2 chicken tenders in the flour mix. For the chicken tender French toast. Y'all let me know what y'all favorite kind of chicken or what y'all favorite version of chicken. Do you like to use, do you like to eat? I literally like this popped in my head last week. I was like, whoa. So let me try this out before I do a video on it. And it was great. Even my mom liked it. She said it tastes like freaking French toast. So drop in the comment section how y'all like y'all chicken. Who made the best chicken? Or do y'all even like chicken tenders? I'm a big chicken tender guy. I love chicken tenders. I love chicken nuggets. Other than chicken man all around. Okay, about to drop these next 2 chicken tenders in this oil. Just like this. I know y'all can see the golden. I'm about to show y'all the golden brownness from the other one. Look at this. This is how your chicken tenders should look. Nice and crispy. It should take no more than 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Okay, gang, I'm back. Man, I wish she had smell-o-vision because these chicken tenders smell amazing. Look at that. They smell just like French toast. I'm gonna put them over in my drainer with the paper towels. Let the grease drain off them. Look at that. You want your French toast chicken tenders to look just like this, nice and golden brown. There's so many different seasonings. I'm smelling right now. It's amazing. Amazing. They look nice and crispy and everything. I'm about to take these out in 1 second. Then let's go in here and toss the last 2 in here. You don't want to make a 6. You can make as much as you need, but I'm going to use a 6 chicken tender. We got it. Now I'm trying to take these 2 out. It'll take no more than 8 to 10 minutes to cook these. But I let mine cook a little longer than that. Because I like my chicken really crispy. And then you don't have to worry about burning because my wife said, I think she said about peanut oil don't have like a high point level or something like that. The chicken won't burn with peanut oil. It will still keep that same golden look. So I'm gonna cook these 2 and then I'll be right back and to plate them. Okay, the last step for the chicken tender French toast. Let's plate them, guys. These babies smell amazing. Maybe one right there in the middle. Do what my mom do. Try to make it look pretty. Hit with some parsley flakes. Then next, oops. Then next, hit it with some of your own favorite syrup. Got some Aunt Mama syrup right here. You know they call it Pearl Melon Company now, but still call Aunt Mama around here. And that's it. That's the video, guys. Hope y'all like it. You got from chicken tender French toast. So if you like my video, don't forget to like my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that sub button. I want everybody to hit that notification bell so y'all be the first to know when the cooking guy has a new video up. So until next time, we out of here. Chicken tender French toast.